Delicious. Let's make a smashing steak sandwich. Oil. Render off some of that fat. See? Can you see the rendered fat? Now you drop it on one side. We give it about 2 minutes. Now we wait. Cool. Move around. Just get the aromas. You can cook outside. You don't stink out the house or have to clean down much of the stove. We got our garlic. Right. Go in half. Do some crissy-crossy. Little bit of smoked salt. Give it a massage. Yeah. Start bringing up the moisture, the juice. Flip our steak. Ooh, la. Mix up a little chimichurri butter. So butter, chimi, mix. You bloody baste the steak. Oh, garlic, hit the steak. Flip on that side. Ooh, la. Steak comes out. Healthy chunk of tomato goes in. Very healthy. Bread. Look at this, folks. This is wicked. To the grilled tomato. Bit of catch. Look, straight that ketchup. Give it a little bit of fresh butter. Now it's time to steak up. Ooh. That there. That shiny steak.
Get that up. Look at that. Whoa. Big spoon. Oi, yeah, bugger. And some cacao nib.
Again, lunch.